Hey, this is Josh at Apex Overland. We're going to show you this GMC 1500 we just got done with for a good buddy of ours named Devin. Let's start out with what I did in the front, work our way back to where the real stuff is. So the front, they do not make a light bar mount for this, so fabricated a light bar mount for it. It ties into the factory bumper mounts. Then on top of that, we put 4 really bright LP6s. These are the pros. I think the LP6 only comes in pro. So what's really cool about them is they have an amber backlight, a low beam, and a high beam. They are ridiculously bright. He's not going to have any problems going on the highways from here on out. Just above that, we did some Squadron Sports and spots for ditch lights. This one is a 23 model truck. There's nothing out for them, so I modified the 2019 to apparently 2022 light brackets from Baja Designs to work with this truck. If you're asking what it is, the back edge of the hood is a little different, so we had to slightly rebend the brackets, and also how they mount to the hood is a little different there, a little trickery on that. Going inside, under the hood, we have a switch pro mounted. Chose to mount the control panel right here. It is a good spot for it. Just Velcroed it to the dash. It's not going anywhere. He's got 2 extra spots left. He talked about doing some rock lights. So eventually he'll get some rock lights there. Then we have 1 more over. Again, what's really cool about those LP6s is you have 3 different modes: amber backlight, low beam, and high beam. And how I wired them up was amber backlight turns all 4 amber backlights on, the low beam turns all 4 on, and then for high beams, I've got the 2 center ones on one switch and the 2 outers on the other. The Switch Pro can handle all 4, but it's kind of getting up there in the amperage range where you're kind of maxing out. Plus, the 2 outers, if you look over top of the lights, they kind of aim out a little bit more than the 2 centers. So that way he has a direct on view and then kind of really, really good like ditch lights. So there you go. Moving to the back is kind of why the truck came in here. The rest of it was just kind of like icing on the cake, is the GoFast topper. It's not the camper that we usually do that has the tent. This is their new toppers. We'll call it like every other truck topper, but it's a lot better because it's a GoFast. What he's using this for is for their dogs. So they have some really cool Dobermans, and he needed somewhere to store them while they're at shows. So that is why there's an AC unit on the top. The AC unit is a RTX 2000 by Dometic. It's a 12-volt system. It's really made for tractor trailers, but it's an awesome AC unit. It goes down to 62 degrees. Ran it the other day when it was 72 out here, and it was blowing super cold air. Now, before we get inside, we also put some just regular vents on each side of the doors. They're pretty cool vents that you would have in like your toy hauler, so you can open them up that way, so you kind of get a ram air effect into it, and then you can go either way like that. So do one open one way, one open the other way, and you kind of get a blasting effect of air when it's not so bad outside. Also just allows some vents. All right, up top, we've got 2 S1s that have the diffused work scene lenses. Those are for work lights / reverse lights at night. And then in the rear here, we have 2 push button dome lights by Baja Designs. I like to do red on the right and white light on the left. Red on the right's easy to remember. We have our AC unit up there at the top. If you notice up on the fender wells, we have 2 100 amp hour Batteries Plus X2 lithium batteries. They are amazing batteries. The most affordable battery on the market right now that is a lithium. They are kick ass. On the outside of the boxes, I put two 250 amp breakers essentially. That's more of a shut off, and really bad emergency situations shouldn't have to mess with those too often. Over on the side over there, everything is controlled by a Red Arc dual battery system. What's really cool about the Red Arc dual battery system is the ability to take multiple inlets of power. So it can take 110, it can take 12 volt off the truck's charging system that's factory, and it can also take the solar that we have on the roof. The solar on the roof are two 180 solar panels, so lots of solar coming in right now, and then that's kind of monitored by the Red Vision system here. Right now we're bringing 18.3 volts in of solar, obviously nothing on 110, nothing on the truck. The Red Arc system's awesome. Plenty of videos out there of how awesome they are, but that is it. And then for the AC unit, turns on. Again, it runs just off the two batteries back here. Turn on. Set at 62 degrees. We'll give that a second. It should kick on. Works awesome with the two batteries. I had it running for 30 minutes in there, and it was 70, 72 that day, and it said it had 7 hours before it was an issue via the Red Arc Red Vision system, which is a long time. So while they're at a show or at training with their dogs, because they have two, if one's in the back here chilling in its crate, definitely going to be cool in the summer. For the winter, he's talking about doing dog crate heating blankets that are 12 volt. Throw it right into the battery system. It's going to handle it great. So that's it. Again, it's already cooled down. It's probably 70 degrees out here. Really need to take this hoodie off, but it's blowing 62, super cold. Dogs are going to be comfortable year round, which was the goal of the whole project.
It's a good one.
So, Theo dog approved. Come on. So, I believe that is it for now. We're going to do a few more things to this before it leaves, but thanks for checking out. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you want to order a GoFast Camper, shoot us an email, sales@apexoverland.com. We sell, install them. We also modify any and everything. The joke around here is we modify the mods. So have a good one. Thanks for checking out the channel. Bye.